Hello students, the next topic which we are going to discuss is standard 10th forces. So what is a force? In simple words, force can be defined as a push or a pull. Whenever you experience a push from something or whenever you pull something, that means a force is acting. These forces, they are classified into two categories. The first type is a contact force and the other one is a non-contact force. From word itself you can make it what is a contact force and what is a non-contact force. The word contact force means it needs a physical contact, whereas non-contact force, it acts at a distance. Example of these forces are contact force, frictional force. Until and unless two bodies are in contact with each other, no frictional force will be acting, right? Similarly, mechanical force means push, pull, holding something, taking something from somewhere and placing it at other place. So all such forces, these are called as mechanical force and they are falls under the category of contact force. Non-contact forces, they act at a distance, means they do not need any physical contact. The example includes are magnetic force. Magnetic force, this is the force acting between the two magnets or magnetic materials. Gravitational force is a force acting between the two bodies. Similarly, electrostatic force, this is between the two charged bodies. Any two bodies has a charge, then there is the electrostatic force. For example, you rub a scale on your hair. When we rub scale on your hair, we see that the small pieces of paper are attracted towards the scale or a pen. This is because of the electrostatic force. So again, it is a force at a distance, non-contact force. Paper, they need not to be in the contact with the scale. Just from the distance, the paper gets attracted. So it is a non-contact force. Similarly, gravitational force, it is between the two masses. Any two objects which has a mass, there is a gravitational force between them. It is always an attractive force. Let us say I keep one pen cap and the pen here. These are the two masses. There is a attractive force between them. However, due to this attractive force, the objects do not move towards each other. The reason is the force is very weak. If the masses are very large, then and then the gravitational forces can be experienced or can be noticed. For example, Sun and the Earth, both are very large masses. So gravitational force between such large masses, it's experienced. But here the pen and the cap are the very small masses, hence the force cannot be experienced. Magnetic force, it is a force between two magnets that you know very well. You might have played with the magnets many times.